Hello and welcome to Online Cues, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can save TikTok videos to your mobile phone. So just launch the TikTok app and make sure that you're signed in. To check whether you're signed in, just click on this person icon over here that you see on the top bottom corner of your screen, so you can see from here I'm signed in. So if you want to get signed in, just follow the instructions on one of our previous videos for logging into TikTok. So what you do is locate the video that you want to download. So I'm going to locate my video. A video that I want to download. So this might be the video that I want to download. Some videos are allowed to be downloaded from TikTok. For that, you just have to click on this share button, and when this menu appears, if the save video button appears on this share menu, just click on it and you'll be able to download it to your mobile phone. Now if it exists that you cannot download it from your TikTok app, just randomly just go ahead and click on this share button that you see and click on copy, and then the link is copied. And you can use third-party apps like TopSaver like this. In order to download this, just go into your Google Play Store that you can find on your phone, or you can download it from the App Store. Just go and search for save TikTok video, and when this appear, you can apparently save any of these apps for video downloading. I chose this one because it was quite nicely rated and it had nice previews. So I'm gonna go back to TopSaver and I'm gonna paste the link here and click on the paste button, and then it will check my URL, and there you can see you can save the video. It has been saved into your mobile phone. So this is how you download the TikTok video from the app. You can download it from the app on TikTok itself if it has the save button function on the share menu, or you can just copy the link and paste it into TopSaver app like this, for video downloading, and then go ahead and save the video once the content has been shown on your app. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.